Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to power up this chair, or how to connect the transformer and the auxiliary cord together and plug it in. So it's pretty simple. This has a long cord on it, and this side is going to go into the chair. The way you find out where this goes is you just got to grab the remote, slide your hand all the way down to the bottom of the chair, and you're going to see this. And this is where that plugs in. This here plugs into the transformer, that plugs into the wall. So let's go ahead, we'll plug this into the transformer. Right here, bam, done. And now we're in the transformer, ready to go. Let's go ahead and plug this into the chair, okay? So we're gonna find this on the edge by following the cord off of the remote, and we're just gonna plug that in. So this is how you plug it in. Now we're plugged in here. Now all we have to do is plug this into the wall, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take her over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it right into the wall there. And bam, now we're ready to go. Now this chair is powered up and we can use it. And I'll show you by just turning it on really quickly. And then in another video, I'll show you how this works. So this is the controller, and this is where you're gonna turn it on the very bottom. And so if you press this, you should see some lights come on. And bam, it's ready to go. And it starts in the middle. Let's move this out of the way. And that's basically how you get the thing to run. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.